So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a 2D radar chart on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is to go to the chart tab right here in the top, press on that, make sure that 2D is selected just like that. Now if you're looking for a radar chart, simply just scroll down to this option right here. So it's the fifth option down on the left hand side, press on this, and this of course is a radar chart. Now if you want to verify that you did select a radar chart, simply just press on the chart that you selected right here. Go to the right hand side, scroll down to the bottom to where it says chart type, press on 2D radar, make sure that it is selected. So for example, if you're on 2D bar chart and you want to change the same information to a 2D radar chart, it works the exact same way. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how to add a 2D radar chart to a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.